Best designed and high functional listings is very important part of any directory, review and product site. Listings must have actual clean design for desktop and mobile versions, must show different parts of data from product with attractive representation. Even if you don't have directory site, listings can help to build landing pages with high conversion, something like top of best smartphones of year. Finally, we added special listing builder in theme as Elementor module, and now, you can create top listings very fast via front-end editing. Let's build our first listing. First of all, install Elementor Page Builder if you don't have it on site. Then, create page with Elementor plugin. In settings of page, you can disable sidebar, title, header, footer and other parts. We will make our page as full width without sidebar. Now, add Advanced Listing Builder module on page. From first look, it's not what we need. It's because listing shows us posts by default and our posts don't have enough data. So, we can choose other post type or category. In data settings you can choose also ordering, custom sorting, number of products and even type of pagination. Now, it's time to configure content of listing items. By default, it has image, title, content, review score and button. You can disable each part if you want. But make sure that you have content part or meta part in your item, because this is required for proper stretching. Let's add more complex listings. For this, we will show some additional data of each product, but before we do this, we must store such data somewhere in products. Best way to do this is product attribute system. You can create attributes in products, attribute tab. By default, attribute has just text type. But in Rehub theme, you can also add color tags, images and text tags. Once you create your attribute, you can add possible values. For this, click on Configure Terms link and start adding values. Now, you can add also proper type for each value. In our example, we added colors to our color type of attribute. When you have all attributes, you can assign them to products. You can do this in attribute section of each product. Just choose to add new attribute and select values. Instead of attributes, you can add additional data to meta fields. Theme already has some meta fields in product. You can find their keys in our documentation. If you want to add even more custom fields, you can use plugin Advanced Custom Fields to create additional panels and fields. Let's see how we can use attributes and custom fields. First of all, you can enable bottom disclaimer line. You can show their value of meta field. In our example, we used purchase note field and placed there some text for each product. Immediately, you can see now content of your field as disclaimer in bottom of each item. Now, let's add meta block inside content part. Each meta column can show attribute value which is always visible as text. Also, you can show value as attribute swatch and meta value. Don't forget that you must assign proper attribute type to attribute if you want to show it as swatch. You can add units and texts to each item of meta block. Additionally, you can change typography and colors for each value and each label of meta block. If you want to add more space between value and label, just increase line height in typography option. Also, you can add tooltip for each item. Now, we add more items to our meta block. Our second item will be also attribute swatch. It will be visible as text tags because we set it with text tag type when we created this attribute. We also add text after value and change it typography and color. The last one will be simple attribute value. We also change its typography to make it more contrast. When you made whole setup, it's time to check mobile and tablet resolutions. In our example, when we switch to tablet view, we lose our images and buttons. It's because there is no enough space to show all columns. But it's easy to fix. Just enable stuck option in settings of listing builder. Mobile view is also great. But even if you find that Elements is too big, you can easily change typography and sizes just for phones. For this, keep mobile view and add another sizes. They will be applied only for mobile view. Additionally, you can apply other design and move title area to top of each item. Also, you can enable toggle block and show content of product in toggle area. This can be very helpful because users can see whole content of product without leaving this page. But this can work great only if you don't have a lot of content in each product. Instead of content, you can show review score and criterias or any custom meta value. As any other post module, Listing Builder has option to enable filter panel. So, you can add special sorting and filter buttons before block and sort block by meta fields and other values. Once you create your list, you can import it to any other part of site. For this, click on your section, then, right-click on dots icon and choose to save your template. Then, go back to your admin panel, find your saved template and copy shortcode. You can use shortcode now in any place of site. This is working for all templates, not only for Listing Builder. You can also edit your template later.